Tired of boring designs that look outdated? What if you could create stunning professional visuals in just minutes with zero graphic design experience? In this video, you'll discover how Canva can transform your brand, your content, and even your income. Let's dive in. Canva is a free-to-use online design tool that lets anyone create eye-catching visuals fast. Whether you're building YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentations, or business flyers, Canva offers thousands of ready-made templates and AI-powered tools to make your work easier and faster. And with Canva Pro, you unlock even more powerful features to boost your content quality. One of Canva's biggest strengths is its Magic Studio, a set of AI-powered tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Magic Write helps you generate text. Magic Edit lets you remove or replace objects in photos with just a click. And Magic Design can build a complete layout for you based on a single idea or prompt. It's like having a personal design assistant 24/7. Canva isn't just for creating content. It's also a powerful money-making tool. You can design and sell digital products like ebooks, planners, and social media kits, or offer your design services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy, all using Canva. With just a few skills and smart templates, you can turn Canva into a full-time income stream. Ready to start designing and earning with Canva? Click the link in the description to try Canva Pro for free and get instant access to premium templates, AI tools, and branding kits. It's the fastest way to level up your content and your income. Don't let mediocre visuals hold you back. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just getting started, Canva gives you the tools to stand out. This is more than design, it's your future, your brand, and your freedom. Subscribe for more AI tools that help you earn smarter, right here on Infinite Earnings.